Welcome once again, your lecturer, Young, and today I'm going to take you through computer hardware. In our previous lecture, we discussed computer software, which is the unseen parts of a computer. The course outline, the introduction, classification of hardware, the input and output devices. After this lecture, students must be able to explain the term computer hardware, differentiate between input and output devices. Said earlier, the unseen parts of a computer is known as the software, and I hope you'll be able to remember the examples and give more uses and its application. Today's lecture, computer hardware. So, as a software is the unseen part of a computer hardware, the seen parts of a computer, the parts that can be seen and touched, that can be felt. So in other words, we can say the physical parts of a computer is the computer's hardware, such as the keyboard, the monitor, the motherboard, the processing unit, and other examples are all computer hardware. Classification of a computer hardware, we have the input, the output, the processing, and the storage. So now the input devices, we are taking a look at the input devices. What are input devices? What makes it an input device? An input device is a hardware device that is used to send data to the computer for processing. And it comes with examples like the mouse, the joystick, the keyboard, the scanner, and many others. Here we're taking a look at the mouse. A computer mouse is an input device that is purposely for the clicking, the pointing, and is mostly seen on the computer screen. So next up is the keyboard. The keyboard is what we use to feed in data into the computer system. On your screen is a joystick, mostly used for playing of games, controlling of images, what have you. Next up on the screen is a stylus. It's a pen-like device used to draw on the screen in the form of an input. A scanner is also an input device that takes a picture format of a document and then displays it on the screen. So now we're looking at the output devices. An output device is any hardware that converts information into readable form. Any hardware device that converts information into readable form is an output device. Like forms are the audio, text, video, graphics, etc. Here we're taking a look at the examples of an output device. You have the monitor, the projector, the printer, the speaker, etc. The monitor is used to display text, images, videos, and graphics information on the screen. A projector is used to project an image from a screen onto a surface. It's a projector, as you see on the screen. Next up is the printer. Printer is a device that takes a text or graphics output from a computer and transfer it onto a paper. Another output device is the speaker. A speaker is an output device that converts an electrical audio signal into a meaningful sound. A plotter is a printer-like device that is mostly used to print graphics on a large format. Example is the banners that we see around. So this brings us to the end of our lesson. Hopefully next week we shall continue. See you. Bye.